Good morning, children. Today we're going to do a review of some of the work that we've already done. Now, review is a compound word, and it means means to do again, and view means to look. So in other words, it means to look again at some of the work that we've done before. Now, these here are all consonants, so they sound like y, j, n, w, t, n, s. One, a, y, a, ya, j, a, ja, w, a, wa. Number two, e. Y, ye, j, je, w, we. Line 3. I, y, j, ye, j, j, we. Line 4. O, y, yo, j, jo, w, wo. Line 5. J, j, w. Line 6. These now are all words. Yes, yes. Jog, jog. Wag, wag. Sag, sag. Line 7. Yell. Jet, jet. Wet, wet. Gas, gas. Number 8. Yum. Jill, Jill. Will. Fun. Last line, number 9. Yip. Job, job. Well. Fin. Compound word. Rib, rib. Bit. Ribbit, ribbit. Ribbit is the noise that a frog makes. So yes means yes. Jog is where you slowly run. You can run a long way. Wag is what a dog's tail does. Sag is that straight after a long time with something heavy, it will go like that. Sag. Yell is when I raise my voice and I shout. Jet, it's an engine on the end of an aeroplane. It makes it go fast. Who wrote this? Wet, when water covers you, you get wet. Gas. Gas is dangerous. It can be liquid form. Heavy gas lays on the floor. Light gas, like hydrogen, floats high. They're very dangerous, and they will go bang if you strike a match. Yum. It's short for yummy. Jill, with a capital J, is a girl's name. Jack and Jill went up the hill. Will you do your work? Will I do some more work for you? Will, it's another way of saying can. Fun is when you get with your friends and you have a good time. Yip is what cowboys say as they hit their horse. Yep, and he runs. Job It's what I am doing here. My job is to teach. I am a teacher. I teach young children. Well can mean that you're fit and healthy, or it can mean that you have a big hole in the garden where you can pump water, clean water from. Fin. Fin is on a shark or a fish. It looks like that. It's a fin. Okay. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Don't forget, repeat it, copy it in your textbooks, and make a video so I can hear how you're coming along. Thank you. Have a nice day.